BTS Batangas, BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Do you hear me loud and clear? Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. I hear you loud and clear. Change your channel in 1-2. Over.
BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Changing to channel 1-2. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your ETA to pilot station? Over.
BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. My ETA is 0800 hours local time. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your call sign? Over.
BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your last port call? How many persons on board? And your gross tonnage? Over.
BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Way last port call is Japan. I have 5 person on board. And gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Do you carry any dangerous goods? Over.
BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Yes, I am carrying 2 5 liters of IMDG Class 3. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass Island Alpha on channel 1-6. Over.
BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. We will call you after we pass on Island Alpha on channel 1-6. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. Stand by on channel 1-6. Over.
BTS Batangas. We will stand by channel 1-6. Over.